multiple flavors of toast. I think we should be able to do what we want. So today, I am doing a toast to brunch, and I'm gonna show you some of my all-time favorite toasts. This toast is all about ricotta cheese. So I take whole milk ricotta, full fat, no skimping here, a little bit of honey and a little bit of salt, and I just pulse it in the food processor until it's nice and light and airy. Because all you do is just put a little bit of your ricotta mixture right into the bag, just snip a little bit at the end, and hello, homemade piping bag. So I'm gonna pipe this fluffy, dreamy ricotta, and the bag just helps you get these nice little peaks that actually do look just like clouds. And I'm gonna do a little apricot jam. So you could totally go sweet or savory with this. You could do roasted garlic, you could do roasted tomatoes. I'm gonna do some chopped toasted hazelnut, and then a little fresh mint that's just gonna brighten everything up. We're just gonna do a little drizzle of the honey. That is gorgeous. This toast is a nod to one of my absolute favorite appetizers, street corn. So I've just done a really simple lime aioli here with a little sour cream. These are gonna be that creamy base of your toast. And then of course, roasted corn, which is just high heat, 400 degrees, fresh off the cob. It's gonna add an extra little crunch, olive oil, salt, pepper, and I added a little bit of chili powder, and then a little really, really finely minced red onion. I don't have COTIJA cheese on hand, I just substitute Parmesan. You just want like a sharp, salty, nutty cheese, and then on top, a little bit of fresh cilantro. And then because it's brunch and you gotta do it up big, we do a little fresh lime zest. And this is my street corn toast. Obviously, PB&J, not reinventing the wheel here, folks, but what I am doing is showing you how to make a beautiful design of what was originally just peanut butter and jelly, and now what you've got is the Mona Lisa of toast. You're welcome. I take a warm, crusty piece of seeded bread right out of the oven and then slather peanut butter right over the top. Now here's the fun part. I love raspberry jam. It's got such a nice tartness to it. And just very, very carefully create a couple of thin-ish lines right across the toast. And then when it's done, just for one more wow, I'm gonna throw a little extra agave right over the top. Here's how we're gonna make this awesome design. So you're gonna just go from side to side and just drag the skewer or the toothpick right through, and it's gonna make this beautiful, amazing design that you'll be like, whoa, is that peanut butter and jelly? That's not what it looked like at the cafeteria. This is a peanut butter toast my dad could totally get down with.